the sick heart, qalb-e mareed, right? Qalb-e mareed is synonymous to nafs-e lawwama, dead heart, same as nafs-e ammara, qalb-e mareed, same as nafs-e lawwama. What is the state over here? This is primarily the heart of a moment, right? That there is iman, but then there is some sickness in there as well. It is not fully fit at the moment. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He gave the advice to the wives of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and He said that فَلَا تَخْضَعْنَا بِالْقَوْلِ, that when do not be too soft in your speech. Why? Because فَيَطْمَعَ الَّذِي فِي قَلْبِهِ مَرَضٍ, because someone having a disease in their heart should develop or shall start fencing, right? So a disease in the heart can cause you to start developing something which is called tama. Tama is what? Tama is a desire. Tama is a hope, right? Take a person fi qalbihi marad, who be somebody who would start, whose shahwat will overcome him, and he will now start having wrong ideas about you just because you spoke softly with him, right? That's why, although this ayah came for the wives of Prophet ﷺ, but this is a general command for women, that when you are speaking to strangers, non-mahram, you should speak in a stern voice. Because if there is a disease in the heart of the listener, he may take your softness in your voice as, may interpret it in a wrong manner. So be firm in the way you speak with non-mahram. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that the heart of a fasik is also a sick heart. That fi qulubihim maradun fazadahumullahu marada. For munafiqeen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that they have sickness in their heart, and Allah increases them in their sickness, leading to the death of the heart, right? A common reason for the sickness of the heart is that, it's best put in Urdu, that banda dil mein rog paal leta hai. If you start fancying something, there is something that takes place in your heart which you now start fancying too much. You start having an affection for that thing. It's like you have given ये जो दिल का आपका जो स्पेस है, उस स्पेस को किसी के और को दे दिया. You have allocated a portion of this land to somebody else. किसी और को दिल में लाके बिठा लिया, right? किसी मूर्ति को दिल में लाके बिठा दिया, right? So majority of the people often become victim of this because something, किसी चीज का वो रोग पाल लेते हैं. It's very interesting, as a young boy, as you start growing up, it would be one game or the other, PC game, Xbox, or whatnot, would become a source of your obsession. And then as you grow up, that obsession will then change into some girl. And then majority of the time, it would be a girl who would be taking a lot of space in your heart, and you'll be worried about her. And then once that fascination gets over, then the next thing would be that your job, the income, the career, and then after that, the kids' well-being, their profession, their well-being. So it's one or the other thing that you would be allowing your heart to be obsessed with. So this, when you start becoming obsessed with this something, and you give space to something, that leads to the sickness of the heart.